Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Pad plus E. Pad E. Whack plus gun. Wagon. Paddy wagon. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone. And welcome aboard. And a welcome aboard also to two newcomers. And the reason for that is because I hope you were watching yesterday's program. We had a champion leave us. A young lady named Penny walked away with a brand new car and a lot of other prizes, over $27,000 worth, and she won the car in just 27 seconds. So she's going to be coming back to compete in our Tournament of Champions next year. I'm almost 100% sure of that. Let's meet our newcomers. On my left, we have Julie Millen.
Yes, that's
Hello,
right.
Julie Millen.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Oh, it's a pleasure meeting you. What do you do and where are you from?
I'm from San Diego, California, and I am a first grade teacher there, and I just recently got engaged to be married in July.
Well, way to go. Let's meet your opponent. His name is Paul Bacon.
Yes.
Hiya, Paul.
Just fine.
Look at that red hair. Does that look good or what?
I guess. I'm out here from Denver, Colorado. My family's in San Antonio, and I wrote a short song for your show.
Go ahead.
If I may. Classic, classic, classic concentration. Well, the game is fun, yeah, the game's all right. And once you start, you want to play all night. Classic concentration.
Pretty good. Wait till we move to prime time. We're going to use that song. Or you can change the lyrics to morning. Ready to play?
You know it.
Okay, take a look over here. Have we got a great vacation for you guys?
If you don't have a good time on this vacation, don't blame it on Rio. Because in Rio de Janeiro, you don't just see the wildlife, you live it. Brazil, the emerald capital of the world, is yours as you and your guests fly from Los Angeles to Rio de Janeiro via Varig Airlines, enjoying the comfort, service, and in-flight hospitality furnished by Varig Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the exciting Hotel Intercontinental Rio, located on South Honrado Beach. Enjoy the sun, fun, and quality of this full-service resort hotel. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. You know what worries me is we're talking about a trip to Rio, and I see what looks like the San Diego chickens behind Marjorie over there off to the left. Is that the San Diego chicken? Julie, is that the San Diego chicken or not?
No.
No, it is not?
No.
All right, well, in that case, we're going to show you and Paul where you can find the Rio vacation on our board. Easy to remember at number 1. And Julie, you're in the challenger's chair, so you get to select first.
Let's match that vacation right in the middle, number 13.
Is it there? No, we have a picnic basket.
Okay, let's try to match that or a wild card with number 25.
Red take, no match. Paul?
Well, I'll take your favorite number and my mom's birthday, 22.
Bedroom set.
How about a match or a wild card under 4?
Evening party dresses, no match. Julie?
Let's try in another corner, number 21.
Pearl necklace?
Oh, I'd love a pearl necklace. Let's try to match that or a wild card with number 15.
Brass trunks. Paul?
Lots of new prizes. Number 9, please.
Diamond cufflinks.
And a match under 11.
Wild card, so the diamond cufflinks are a definite possibility for Paul Bacon. The other diamond cufflinks on the top line at number 2. Put them in position and open 3 panels for Paul. Select again.
All right. 18, please.
Green take.
Number 15.
Brass trunks. Julie?
Let's try the bottom corner, number 25.
Red take.
And let's try to match that with number 8.
Green take. No match. Paul?
Okay, where was it?
Where was it indeed?
That was 18.
Was it?
Yes, and the match number 8.
Number 8. 8 and 18. That's a good combination, isn't it?
It is that.
There you go. Let's open the 2 panels.
Nothing yet.
All right.
Let's try for number 23.
Picnic basket.
And the match under 13.
Picnic basket, there's a match. We're going to get to look at most of that center column. Let's see what we reveal this time. Pick again.
Number 16, please.
Brass trunks.
And the match for the brass trunks under 15.
Yes. 15 makes it a match. 3 in a row. Actually, 4 in a row for Paul. He's got the green tape as well.
Yes.
Open these 2 doors. Go again.
Number 10, please.
Sofa.
And how about a match under number 6?
Wild card, so it's going to be a match. The other sofa at number 24. 3 panels opening now. Select again.
We open it up under 17, please.
Evening party dresses.
And was that under 5?
No, I don't think so. That's 10 shares of Ford stock. Julie.
Let's try number 14.
Pearl necklace.
And number 21 for the match.
Pearl necklace is right. At last, Julie gets a match and gets something in her prize column. Open these 2 panels for her. Pick again.
Let's try number 20, please.
It's still a wild card, but no longer because you have just found it.
Let's go to Rio under number 1.
Let's go to Rio under number 1. Yes. The other Rio holiday is at number 3. It's up there. That's a great combination. Rio de Janeiro and a pearl necklace. Open these 3 panels for Julie. Select again.
Number 17, please.
Evening party dresses.
Is that under number 4?
I believe so. Yes. Paul was 1 box off a while ago. He picked number 5. Julie has it. Let's see if she can solve it.
Short circuit.
Short circuit looks like a trip to Rio to me. Come on, Julie. All right. Go to the board.
Started with shore with the shells on the shore plus T is short. Sir plus cut equals circuit, short circuit.
Short circuit means a great vacation for this young lady. Paul, didn't work out for you, but you've got the 1X. We'll see you in game number 2 in just a little bit. Now, Julie, let's hear about these prizes. Gene?
Evening party dresses, Hollywood night special occasion dresses that are reminiscent of Hollywood's glamour girls. Sensual sequins, slinky satin, sensational dresses that make you look and feel sensational. Hollywood nights furnished by Rome Corporation. And a pearl necklace, a matinee-length cultured pearl necklace, 6 to 6.5 millimeter, beautifully adorned with a 14-karat gold clasp from the fine jewelry collection of the Michael C. Fina Company. And, of course, wonderful Rio de Janeiro. And Julie, you have a prize package totaling $5,285.
Some of you may have heard Julie say, oh, it's my honeymoon. How about that? A holiday in Rio, some new dresses, and a pearl necklace. What else do you need for a happy honeymoon? We'll be back after this.
Groundbreaking.
It's exciting, isn't it?
I can't believe it.
You want to
It's
quit
wonderful.
now? I'll give you a choice. You can quit now and go home with those prizes, or you can play for a car. What do you want to do?
I think I'll go for the car.
Okay, here are the 15 numbered squares. Here's the clock with base time. Now remember, Penny won the car in 27 seconds, so if you get lucky, you could do it also.
All right.
Here we go. Go for it.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8,
No.
2, 7,
Right.
10, 11,
No.
13, 14,
No.
15, 9,
No.
14, 8,
No.
13, 5,
Yes.
10, 9,
Yes.
3, 6,
No.
8, 11. It's okay.
That's okay. You were nervous. You were still excited about the trip to Rio. $5,285 in prizes, and you play again when we come back. Welcome back. Julie is still reeling with excitement over that victory. Paul, of course, has one strike against him. That song you did off the top of our show was beautiful. Are you into showbiz? Are you a singer, composer?
Mostly doing ditties and things like that.
You play the piano?
Theater. No, all voice or acting, dance, all that.
Okay, well, you've got a good career in show business, I'm sure, if you pursue that.
Yes.
Right now, I want you to look over here. We have something very good for you and for Julie.
Part of Adler & Company's diamond jewelry collection, an elegant diamond bracelet. Crafted in 14-karat gold, this bracelet features 36 points of sparkling diamonds, captivating any woman's dreams. Furnished by Adler & Company. Alex.
Wouldn't you much rather see her wear it on her body instead of having it in her mouth like that? Gosh, maybe Marjorie knows the new style. Paul and Julie, take a look at our board and we'll show you where you can find that lovely piece of jewelry, the diamond and gold bracelet at number 19. Okay, 5 bonus car seconds in this game. The cash pot, $500. Lake Tahoe vacation. And Paul, you pick first.
Alrighty, let's go with number 6, please.
Color TV.
Good, I need that. Number 15.
5 bonus car seconds. No match, so we'll go right to Julie.
Let's try with number 11, please.
Cash pot.
Oh, that would be nice. Let's try for a match or a wild card under number 4.
Cash pot, just $500.
All right.
We may wind up with a little bit of spending money on that trip
would
to
be
Rio.
wonderful.
Open the 2 panels for Julie. How long have you and your fiancé known each other?
For 3.5 years.
3.5. Well, should make for a good marriage then. Let's take a look now, and you select 2 more numbers.
Let's try number 22, please.
Rowing machine.
Okay, it's always good to keep in shape. How about number 16, please?
Lake Tahoe vacation. No match, so we'll go over to Paul.
I like that. Let's look for Lake Tahoe under number 10.
Chinese porcelain lamps.
How about a match under 21?
Color TV. No match. Julie might be able to make it.
How about number 6?
6 for the color TV.
And the match 21?
21 for the color TV. That's a match. That's good to me. That first column is going to open up a little bit now. Do it. Select again.
How about number 25, please?
Red take.
And a match under number 5?
No, we have a grandfather clock. That's a good prize. Paul?
I'd like to look under number 2.
Red take.
And 25, please, for the match.
That's a match.
Yeah.
A little bit of insurance for later on, unless you want to use it now to grab the color TV. You got kind of excited when you opened that.
I think I need to do that, yes. My voltage regulator went off, and it's just too expensive to replace.
All right, do you want a color TV or do you want $500 in the cash
The
box?
color TV.
All right.
That'll be perfect.
Color TV coming your way.
Yes.
And 2 doors opening up for your benefit as well. Go again.
Let's open up number 14, please.
Green take.
And a match under 23.
Wild card, making it a match. You'll get the take. The other green take is at number 1. Do you want to use it?
I'm going to hold on.
All right.
I'm going to hold on just a minute.
He's going to hold on. He wants to see if Julie comes up with better prizes in her column. Open these 3 panels for Paul. Go again.
Number 19, please.
Diamond and gold
Oh,
bracelet. That's the one we showed you.
And match under 8.
No. Oak wine rack. Julie.
Let's try number 12, please.
Chinese porcelain lamps.
And the match number 10.
Yes. Look at that. Very quietly done. No fuss, no bother, no jumping up and down. Just solid work. Open these 2 doors. Select again, Julie.
Let's try number 24, please.
Lake Tahoe vacation.
Is the match number 16?
16? Yes, it is. Now, you didn't notice while you were staring at the puzzle a moment ago, Paul's body suddenly tensed. That's usually a sign of one of 2 things. I won't tell you about one,
I want to hear about it.
the other is that he thinks he can solve the puzzle. Open these two panels.
On a rowboat to China.
Is it on a rowboat to China? No, it is not. Go again.
Number 18, please.
Oak wine rack.
Match under number 3.
Oh, no. Paul, here's your big chance.
Number 9, please.
Rowing machine.
Okay. Let's match that right now. Under 20.
No.
Oh,
5
that's-
bonus car seconds. He had a chance. It didn't work. Julie, back to you.
Let's try number 22, please.
Rowing machine.
And match number 9.
Number 9 is right. That's the match. You could give him his second loss, and we could wave goodbye to Paul if you can solve the puzzle right now, Julie. Can you do it? Pick again. Pick again.
Number 7, please.
Well, you don't have to sing your way through this round. Just select numbers. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you. And you're starting off with base time of 35 seconds, of course, since this is your first time in the winner's circle. So I'll wish you good luck and go to work.
1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
Nope.
5, 6,
Nope.
3, 7,
No.
4, 6,
Yes.
8, 10,
No.
9, 11,
No.
5, 12,
No.
okay, 13, 12,
Yes.
14, 1,
No.
2, 15,
No.
okay, 8, 2,
Right.
3, 7.
You discovered something there, didn't you? Mm-hmm. You discovered that when you go very, very fast, when you have base time of 35 seconds, you have to move along quickly. But if you go too fast, it tends to discombobulate your mind, and
Yeah.
you can't concentrate on all of the individual cards.
They
But
don't
that's okay.
register,
They don't register, right. But you've won $1,959 in prizes,
Yes.
including that holiday in Lake Tahoe. We're going to take a break, and then we'll come back and wrap up today's show. Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Nishika's revolutionary new 35mm three-dimensional camera. Uses standard color film, requires no focusing or special viewers, and takes pictures that come to life. Furnished by Nishika Corporation. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Turning into a marvelous international week. Yesterday we had those young Japanese girls. Today in our audience we have some people from East Berlin who do not speak any English but who are seeing an American game show live for the first time. I hope they're enjoying it. And I hope you are too. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.